I have a doubt what is Python. Do you also have? Then let's see. What is Python? Is Python a snake? Well, no. Python is high-level language. High-level language in a sense which can be understandable by the user. I got a doubt, where do we use Python? We use Python in web and internet development, scientific and numerical computing, software development and business application development, Python for data science projects. Guido van Rossum implemented Python in December 1989 at CWI, Netherlands. Python 2.0 released on October 16, 2000. Python 3.0 released on December 3, 2008. Python is popularly used for development, scripting and software testing. Top IT companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify and Netflix, among others, use Python. Some major applications of Python can be seen in the field of machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science and IoT. Python was named after Monty Python's flying circus.